New garage projects can seem difficult and overwhelming for many homeowners. There's a lot to learn, discover, and big decisions need to be made. It can be intimidating. It's with this in mind that Danley strives to delight our customers with our simple process. From your first call to your garage build, we ensure your project will be smooth and hassle-free. The first step of your new garage project is a simple phone call or email. We'll ask you a few questions about your project to make sure we fully understand your needs. Once we've done so, we'll schedule a convenient appointment for a Danley's representative to come out to your home. Next, you'll have an in-home consultation with one of our representatives. Through a conversation about your project, you'll be presented with options that meet your specific needs. After you've made your decision, we'll review your project with you prior to getting started. And then comes your garage construction. A group of highly skilled contractors will bring your project to reality in a professional manner, ensuring you're happy with the results. As always, customer delight is the driving factor behind everything that we do as a company. Our straightforward process is designed to delight you from beginning to end.